Hey there, welcome to today's video, where we're diving into a unique problem regarding Chinese fonts. Have you ever wondered how websites manage to serve only part of a font to render text? It's quite an interesting dilemma, especially when dealing with the complexities of Chinese characters. Imagine the strain on bandwidth when a Chinese font can be as large as 6 or 7 megabytes for a single style and weight, compared to a Latin font, which is just a fraction of that size. The problem lies in the need to send all glyphs to the user, even if they're not necessarily required for that specific web page. But fear not, there's a clever solution to this font conundrum that might just blow your mind. In the world of fonts and web design, sharing only part of a font is indeed possible. Just like how your browser can start displaying a web page before it's fully loaded, fonts can also be subsetted to include only the necessary glyphs. This is where font editing software comes into play, slicing and dicing the font file to remove any unnecessary parts. By generating a new file with the essential glyphs, web font providers can now efficiently serve custom fonts without bogging down bandwidth. It's like serving a gourmet meal without the extra fluff, practical and efficient. And guess what? This slicing and dicing process can even be automated, making it a seamless experience for both users and providers. In a nutshell, font subsetting is the game changer that allows web font providers to serve only the glyphs needed for a specific web page, saving bandwidth and enhancing user experience. With tools like Python Font Tools, web developers can easily generate subset font files on the fly, ensuring that only the essential glyphs are transmitted. While this precise subsetting method might not be widespread among Western websites, it's definitely a possibility for those looking to optimize their font delivery. So next time you visit a site with beautifully rendered Chinese characters, you'll know the clever trick behind the scenes. Remember, a little font trimming can go a long way in the digital world. And that's a wrap for today's video. We've uncovered the mystery behind serving partial fonts on the web and how it's revolutionizing the way we experience typography. If you found this information as fascinating as I did, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like the video, and drop a witty comment below. Until next time, happy font hunting.